Hi, my name is Belinda Thompson. I'm down here at the Eagleby wetlands. I grew up in Eagleby. I lived in Logan Street back in the early 80s. With regards to the Coomera connector, we all know we need another highway, but is this the only route? We've sort of, part of the team have come up with different proposals, so we're just hoping that it gathers traction. I was down here on the weekend with Bush Care, and I think it was a white-bellied eagle.
Wow.
So back in the day, legend has it that Eagleby was the nesting of eagles, and therefore Eagleby there. And I think it's actually up there now. I think it's up there.
Oh, there's something up there.
I think it's up there. I think that's it.
Oh, there's two of them.
So Eagleby there.
Oh, can I get it? Have I got it in shot?
Yes.
I bet I haven't.
So yeah, so it was called
Oh, I don't know if I've got it in shot. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, there they are. Oh, there's one of them.
yeah. So what the legend was is it was called like Mothchya, like Mothchya, and it means eagle be there.
Wow.
And that's, Eagleby there.
And an ibis.
But yeah, you probably can't use any of that, my girl, but
Just for the community?
yeah. I love Eagleby, and look how diverse we are. We're all from different walks of life.
We are.
We're all different ages, but we've got, Eagleby has one thing, and that is a great sense of community. And on your sticker, I think, what was the final, on the new sticker, you've got dot points.
Oh, the flyer.
On the, the one they're handing out. What's the final one?
We deserve better.
We do. Yeah.
And we do. We deserve better.
Yep. So, bloody awesome. See you Sunday.
Thanks. See ya. Bye. Bye. See ya, so that's it. We had a great morning this morning, had a great turnout. Lots of people came, lots of people spoke. And the kids are having a blast on the swings. They've been so good. Honestly, they've been amazing. There he is. Have a great one. Bless you.